Happy afternoon dear students. Today we are going to see about commercial unit of energy. Last class we have seen about power. You all know the unit of power is watt and the bigger units are kilowatt and megawatt. Now what is the commercial unit? The commercial unit of energy is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. That is 1 K should be small letter, kilo, and watt is name of the scientist capital letter, and H should be small letter. So 1 kilowatt hour. This can be written as, that is 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. It can be written as 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Now you split 1 kilo can be written as 1000 watt, because since 1 kilo is equal to 1000. Okay, 1 kilo is equal to 1000. So 1000 watt into 1 hour. 1 hour can be written as 60 into 60, that is the seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds. Now you will be multiplying 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Now together this can be written as 10 raised to 3 and this can be written as 36 into 10 square, and the power can be added. When your multiplication, the power can be added. So this will be 36 into 10 raised to 5, and this is nothing but this. You can remove 10 from here and you can write it as 3.6 into 10 raised to 6, and it is nothing but it is the energy, so it will be converted and joule. Now this 6 is nothing but, last class we have seen 10 power 6 is nothing but mega. 10 power 6 is nothing but mega. So this value can be written as 3.6 megajoule. So this is the commercial unit of energy. When you are paying the bill to the electricity board, it should be, conversion should be taken place. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. And now this 1 kilowatt hour is another unit it is having, that is nothing but 1 unit. So with the help of this one only, you know commercial unit, we have to pay the bill to the electricity board. It may be monthly or bi-monthly. So you have to use this unit. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit, or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 megajoule. Next class related to this, we will calculate the billing and we will do the problems.